Hey everyone, I want to make my favorite perfume for you guys today. I got the recipe from Melissa Poping's Essential Perfumery Collections book. She has a few different ways that you can mix them, different suggestions and different categories so you know kind of which perfume to use. But I like the Elusive from the Sultry collection. So that's the one I'm going to make today. So I'm going to talk to you a second about the oils that we're using. So the first one is jasmine. This is really good for your skin, emotions, and even your hormones. Palmarosa is good for skin and emotions as well, but also your cardiovascular system. Grapefruit is good for weight management. So just inhaling the oils will help to trigger your emotions and help you to control your weight that way. And it's also good for your cardiovascular system. Spearmint is good for cleansing. It's good for your chakras, your respiratory system, and also your emotions. Cedarwood is amazing for your emotions, your brain health. It's good for relaxing your nervous system and your respiratory system. And Palo Santo is called the poor man's frankincense. It's good for cleansing, immune health. It's calming. It's great for your emotions and your nervous system. So putting these oils on, I don't know if you've heard me say this before, but inhaling the essential oils, the molecules are so small, they can go to your limbic system, which is how it affects your emotions. And then putting them on topically, the molecules are so small, again, they're able to absorb into your skin and go to your bloodstream. So I normally make it in here, and this is the first time I'm going to make it in a perfume bottle. So let's see how this goes. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, use this as a little weight if I can. Okay. We're going to do 7 drops of jasmine. And jasmine smells really good. I'll just put this one on by itself if I'm in a hurry. And then remember, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little tiny hole like on this rim here. And if the oil is hard to drop out, if you put that down, then it's easier to get out. So sometimes if you turn it, you can get, let's see, come on, 1, 2, 3.
Can I help you?
Hold on, baby. Sorry, it's taking forever. 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on, baby. Hold on. So she says in her book also to make sure that you do exactly the number because she has everything measured out perfectly. So we're going to do 5 drops of Palmarosa. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just remember, this is a perfect example. Jasmine was obviously a little bit thicker, so it takes a long time to come out. If you're using vetiver, that one's super thick, and you can also use one of these to make it a little bit easier. All right, grapefruit. We're going to use 7 drops of grapefruit. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if that first dropped in there, so. And then we're going to do 5 drops of spearmint. This one you might be able to see the hole. It's kind of hard with this. 5 drops. Palo Santo, we're going to do 10 drops. Okay, and then cedarwood, we're going to do 5 drops.
Mommy, think of mommy,
And then vanilla. Okay, I really like this vanilla. I got it online, Mexican vanilla, cold pressed. Clear vanilla. You always want to use clear vanilla. So I'm going to use this for this. And we are going to do 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What are you doing, Mommy? What are you doing?
I'm making perfume. Okay, so I am going to fill this up with a little bit of vodka. Let me do it over the sink so I don't spill. So I do like about, she says to do like halfway and then fill the rest up with water. A lot of people use distilled water. I don't really stress about it too much, what kind of water that I use. So there it is. So if you read it from the book, it says an idea of what you are going to be experiencing with the perfume. So this one says the aromatic is a rich, complex base of jasmine, palo santo, and vanilla, offers a floral musk among a sweet top note of citrus and spearmint. And then the experience, her kind of idea of it is she wanted the elusive diamond, but knew in her restless heart that she actually deserved more, that she was worthy of more. She realized what she sought, the royal crown. So every recipe in here kind of gives you that and an idea of what you're going to be experiencing. I really like this book. If you can get it on, I think discoverlsp.com. But yeah, just the vodka will help keep it dispersed in here, and then you can just spray it and it smells amazing. I love the vanilla, but that's just me. Some people don't, and then there's a lot of recipes in here that don't use vanilla. So yeah. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a good day. Bye.